In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out Form Schedule C on Freetaxusa. If you're self-employed and need to report your business income, this guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Let's get started. First, head over to Freetaxusa's website. This is where all the magic happens. Click on E-File a Schedule C form. This is a great starting point because not only is this where you'll file your form, but the platform also offers a user-friendly interface that makes the entire process much less daunting. Next up, you want to make sure you're ready to e-file with the IRS. E-filing is a faster and usually cheaper process than traditional paper filing. It also reduces the chances of errors and typically speeds up the return process. Ensure you have all your financial documents handy. It'll save you heaps of time and potential headaches later. Moving forward, you're going to report your self-employment income and expenses. This step is crucial as it directly influences how much tax you'll end up owing or the refund you'll receive. Keep detailed records of everything: invoices, receipts, and any other documentation that proves your income or business-related expenditures. It's always good practice to stay organized throughout the year, so you're not scrambling come tax season. Once you're ready, click on Start 2024 Return. This is where you'll officially begin your tax return for the current tax year. As you navigate through the prompts, Freetaxusa will guide you step by step. It's built to be straightforward, but don't rush. Take your time to input your data accurately. Errors can lead to delays in your refund or worse, an audit. You might be wondering, am I eligible to file a Schedule C? If you're reporting income as a sole proprietor, an independent contractor, or you have a side hustle, you are likely eligible. The form is designed for individuals who are self-employed even if you work a full-time job elsewhere. Freetaxusa provides clear information on who qualifies, ensuring everyone files based on their specific circumstances. It's also important to note that all 1040 forms you may need are supported for free on Freetaxusa. This means that whether you're itemizing your deductions or taking the standard deduction, you won't have to pay extra. It's an added bonus, especially for those wanting to maximize their deductions without incurring additional costs. By following these steps on Freetaxusa, you'll successfully complete your Schedule C form and e-file with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough makes your tax season a little less stressful. Happy filing!